When a group of friends visit KFC for the first time, there will be for sure someone in the group who will ask the question, "Hey, who is this old man? Why his picture is everywhere?" So today let's know some of the unbelievable facts about that old man. Age can never be an obstacle in the way to success. The life story of Colonel Harland David Sanders, whom we know as the KFC's old guy, is a perfect example of that. He was born on 9 September 1890 in America's Henryville, Indiana. At the age of 5, he lost his father. After the death of his father, the financial condition of his family became very poor. Also, he had to take care of his younger brother and sister. So at the age of 16, he left his school. After the second marriage of his mother, his stepfather's bad behavior forced him to leave his house. Then within 1 year, he was fired from 4 companies. After that, in 1906, he went to his uncle's house and stayed there for some days. His uncle was working in a company named Streetcars, and so he got a job of a conductor through his uncle's preference. At the age of 18, Harland got married, but his married life was also not good. At the age of 20, just after 2 years of his marriage, his wife demanded for a divorce and decided to live separately with their children. At the age of 22, he joined the army, but from there also he was fired. After that, he applied for admission in a law school, and again he was rejected. Then, starting from selling insurance and credit cards to tires of different cars, he tried many different small businesses, but not for a single time he was succeeded. In the 1929, he went to Corbin City and opened a gas station. Beside that gas station, he set up his own small stall and started to sell there some new kind of fried chicken made by his own unique recipe. People started to love his fried chicken. The governor of Kentucky loved his fried chicken so much that he rewarded Harland with Colonel designation. After getting so many positive responses first time in his life, he decided to increase his restaurant business. He completed an 8-week course on hotel management from Cornell University. But here again, failure hit him hard in life. Due to construction of a highway, he had to close his restaurant as per the government's order. After that, he decided to work as a chef in a small cafe. At the age of 65, when he retired from that cafe, only a $105 check was given to him, which was just a few months' expenditure for any person at that time. He was mentally completely broken down and attempted to suicide for several times. Although he was failed in every aspect of his life, but he never lost faith on his unique recipe, and that inspired him to fight for success even at the age of 65. He went off with his unique recipe and a pressure cooker to do marketing of his unique recipe. He went to different restaurants and told them about his unique fried chicken, but everyone rejected him. After being rejected from 1009 restaurants, finally one restaurant owner decided to give him a chance. And from that day onwards, he was never ever rejected. Although all his life he was a failure, but his faith and belief in his unique recipe made him overcome all those struggles and finally helped him to reach to the peak of success. He had only 2 rules in his life. Rule number 1, try to do everything that is possible by you, and rule number 2, try to give your best in everything. Because he believed that is the only way to achieve something bigger in life. Eventually his unique recipe started to spread his empire in different countries. At the age of 88, he became a millionaire. Today, KFC or Kentucky Fried Chicken is on more than 118 different countries all over the world. In 1980, at the age of 90 years old, Colonel Sanders died due to pneumonia. At the end, I want to finish this video with his one of my favorite quote. He said, "One has to remember that every failure can be a stepping stone to something better." At last, a little request to you. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends, because by sharing, you can also help to change someone's life. Next video is on the next Sunday. Thanks for watching. More wisdom, more solution, better life.